Everybody's an artist. How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 of them? Well, we'll just walk down and look at them. Well, they're painted front and back, inside and out. Plenty of paint cans everywhere. A little muddy here. I think it just rained, yeah. So we have 10 Cadillacs stuck in the ground, all painted in the middle of a hayfield, just outside of Amarillo, Texas. There's Pam getting a picture. Well, good morning there, YouTubers and campers. Brand here again. Well, this morning we woke up in Abilene, Texas. Yesterday we were in Amarillo. We were going to head towards Oklahoma City, but that storm that came through really was devastating Oklahoma City and flooding out everything. So we decided to go around the storm. So we headed south down here to where we're at now, and to Abilene, and now we're headed back towards Mount Pleasant and up into Hot Springs, Arkansas is our route for the next couple of days. But anyways, that storm was something else. We as we were coming down here though, we hit some high winds. So we were driving this truck through like 40-50 mile an hour winds. That was kind of interesting. I haven't done that before, but sure handled it okay. So we got to a KOA here, and $30. It wasn't bad. Let me show it to you. Okay, so this is the KOA that we're at. So I got a nice little spot here, and for $30 you get nice shaded area with water, electrical. We even got this little pond back here. You know what? I'm not a Walmart parking lot camper. I'll pay the $30, $40, and I'll find me a place to camp. And wow, look how muddy it is from the rains. I'll find a place to camp. You know, I didn't buy this rig to camp in a parking lot, so I kind of avoid that. But that's just me. Everybody's got their own choice. But and I enjoyed the environment much better here. So there's some big guys in here. We drove through the city yesterday of Abilene, And for a California guy, really, I didn't see much there. So we're not sticking around. So anyways, I thought I'd end this video. Look, they got some cabins here you can rent out. That's all the KOA's got, those little cabins. But anyways, just wanted to check in. I'll put some footage here of when we were in Amarillo at the Cadillac Ranch. But yeah, we're on our way to Mount Pleasant. Only one thing about camping in the city, I do gotta laugh a little bit. Really nice campground, but right on the other side of the fence there's a Motel 6. Oh my. But anyways, we'll talk to you later. Bye. Well, hey guys. Well, I wanted to end this video in Texas, where I started it at. Today we drove from what was that called? Abilene to Mount Pleasant here in Texas. We had to go through Fort Worth and Dallas. It's about a 300-mile drive today, a long drive. Normally I do about 150, 200 on the average. We like that better. Slow start, not so long drive, set up camp and take it easy. That's our normal thing. But so I got to a KOA here, and so I thought I'd show it to you and close out this video. So this is the KOA I'm at now at Mount Pleasant. It's about I think less than 100 miles from the Arkansas border where we're headed. We're heading towards the world's smallest national park. I guess it's the Hot Springs of Arkansas. But this is where we're at today. And you know, it's not too bad, actually. We got full hookups here. Pam like that, she wanted to wash her hair, but full hookups, 35 bucks. So I couldn't argue with that. And you know, we haven't made any reservations anywhere. So that's it. So we'll see you from Arkansas, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.